talking about love. Okay, what is love? Marrying someone, or sleeping with someone, or having kids with someone, or what is love? According to me, like, love is a mutual respect when you can be with a person without losing your boundaries and without crossing theirs. That is the actual definition of love. When you can when you can allow yourself totally without defenses of ego, like if you cannot be real in love, it's not about marriage love, or a girlfriend boyfriend, or a husband wife, or a best friend. It's not, it's all about a relationship. It's about love. So if if uh, if you can allow just to be with someone, just to be real, like sitting with someone without any defenses, without any performance, just sitting with someone and just allowing yourself and others to be themselves. If each and every relationship nowadays is, they are just performing with each other, they are doing things, saying things which do, it's like the inner voice is saying fuck off, and the outer person is saying like no, no, I'm smiling. It's like like everyone is pretending that they don't care, and they actually do. Everyone is pretending, everyone is performing. They are running from the reality, that they are running from themselves basically, because they don't want to face that feeling. Yes, they actually feel, we all feel that. That's why we call it, we call ourselves a human being. And if you cannot respect a person, if you cannot understand their feelings, their freedom, so the modern language is a very false way of saying, like, I love you but I possess you. I cannot allow you to go out, because if I am going to allow you, you're gonna cheat me, because they know, that everyone knows that they are living with cheaters. So if you don't trust yourself, how can you trust someone else? If you first ask a single question, with a pause before asking to anyone: do you love yourself? Do you respect yourself? Do you respect your emotions? Do you even respect your feelings, that you are feeling hurt? Just ask yourself, how are you feeling, rather than thinking about that person. If they are getting angry, if I did something, then just allow yourself to feel that anger, that hurt. Let you just be you. Just let yourself breathe. At least ask yourself, what do I really need? Is that really about that person, or is just in something inside me is asking for attention? Is that really, is this anger is really about that person, or that situation happens to you, or is it something in you is feeling hurt or wounded? So just ask some question: who am I? To whom I am talking? When there is a inner chat in you, uh, like like there is a thought, I'm not gonna call this person, and then there is another thought, I'm not even gonna wish their birthdays, I'm not gonna do this, I'm going to block them, I'm going to do that. Just witness this voice and ask a simple question: who is talking to whom? Who am I? To whom I am referring when I say I? Who is the I? Who is feeling hurt? To whom all these things happening? Where am I? Just ask these question, and just and don't believe any answer. Like, you know what, the you just say thing, and there is an inner voice who has each and every question answer. Like if you ask that why is that I am worthy, no, you are not. So just it's just an mechanism which took a form in our childhood. So just don't take, just try to understand. Just anyways, whatever I said, if you are not able to understand, you're not gonna listen this, you see. So I hope that you understand what I mean. Just ask these questions, and if you really ask them, you will get reply.